been told to love myself.
Hi everybody, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my keto coconut scones, because yesterday was a very big day. It was my mother's birthday, and that cake that I made, her vanilla ganache chocolate whatever cake, high in sugar, high in carbs, by the way, in which I didn't even have a slice of because I keep myself in ketosis at all times. So after that big day, I have decided that I'm going to go back to showing you my keto recipes. I can't find a spot. So if you are interested to see how I make this particular baked good, being the coconut scone, please keep watching. And a big shout out to Jack Sparrow, who's been very diligent in commenting in and on my videos. So thank you so much for all of your support. So let's get started. What you're going to need is 2 cups of coconut flour with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of almond milk or coconut milk, 90 grams of butter and 1 egg. So first of all, we're going to put in the butter, make fine crumbs, So there you have it everybody. This is my version of the coconut scone. Highly ketogenic, no carbs, good fat, and easily part of your diet. So if you enjoyed watching me make this particular recipe and you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell. I will be posting every day. Once again, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very shortly. Bye for now.